Division of numbers. Let's get familiar with some terms related to division. First term is dividend. Dividend means the number which is to be divided. Next is divisor. Divisor means the number by which the dividend is to be divided. Quotient. The result of the division is called quotient. Remainder means the number which is left undivided. For example, when we divide 45 by 7, then in this question 45 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor, 6 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. To verify any division, we use the formula dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now let's see some properties of division. First property is if a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself and there is no remainder. For example, 175 divided by 1 is equal to 175. Second property, if any number other than 0 is divided by itself, the quotient will be 1 and there will be no remainder. For example, 150 divided by 150 is equal to 1. And the last property is if 0 is divided by a number different from 0, the quotient will be 0 and there will be no remainder. For example, 0 divided by 250 is equal to 0. Division by 10, 100 and 1000. Let's first see division by 10. If the divisor is 10, then the last digit of the dividend or the units place of the dividend will be the remainder and the number formed by the remaining digits of the dividend will be the quotient. For example, 45,078 divided by 10. In this, the units place digit, that is 8, will be the remainder and remaining digits, that is 4507, will be the quotient. Let's see the division by 100. If the divisor is 100, then the number formed by the last two digits, that is the units place and the tens place of the dividend, will be the remainder and the number formed by the remaining digits of the dividend will be the quotient. For example, 9,87,654 divided by 100. In this, the units place and the tens place digit, that is 54, will be the remainder and the remaining digits, that is 9,876, will be the quotient. The rule for division by 1000, 10,000 is also similar.